Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, the measles vaccine. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about the measles vaccine, its benefits, safety, and address common concerns. So, let's dive right in. What is measles? Measles is a highly contagious viral infection caused by the measles virus. It primarily affects children but can occur in people of any age who are not immune. The disease is characterized by symptoms such as high fever, cough, runny nose, red, watery eyes, and a distinctive rash that spreads all over the body. Measles can lead to serious complications, including pneumonia, encephalitis, swelling of the brain, and in rare cases, death. However, measles can be prevented through vaccination, which provides immunity against the virus. What is measles, MMR, vaccine? The measles vaccine is a preventive measure designed to protect individuals from the measles virus. Measles vaccine is administered as part of a combination vaccine known as the measles-mumps-rubella (MMR) vaccine. It is a safe and effective immunization that stimulates the body's immune system to develop antibodies against the virus, providing immunity. The vaccine is typically administered in 2 doses, usually around 12 to 15 months of age and again between 4 to 6 years of age. The measles vaccine has been instrumental in reducing the incidence of measles and preventing severe complications associated with the disease. It plays a vital role in public health efforts to eliminate measles globally. How measles vaccine is manufactured. The manufacturing process of the measles vaccine involves several steps to ensure its safety and effectiveness. Here is a general overview of how the measles vaccine is produced. Certified strain. The first step involves obtaining an attenuated virus strain which is certified by the National Control Authority. Virus strain should be well characterized, including all the necessary information: source, attenuation method, passage level, etc. The virus strain used in the vaccine production should be certified to be safe to be used for human purpose. To make the vaccine safe for use, the measles virus is attenuated, which means it is weakened or modified. Attenuation is done through a series of passages in cell cultures or through genetic engineering techniques. The goal is to create a weakened form of the virus that can still stimulate an immune response but does not cause the disease. Vaccine production. Large-scale production of the vaccine involves growing the attenuated virus in large bioreactors or cell culture systems. The virus is replicated in large quantities, and the culture is harvested. Purification. The harvested culture is purified to remove impurities and unwanted substances, leaving behind primarily the measles virus components. Vaccine formulation and packaging. The attenuated measles virus is combined with the other components of the MMR vaccine, such as mumps and rubella viruses, in specific proportions. These components are formulated with stabilizers, preservatives, and other additives to ensure vaccine stability and efficacy. The final formulation is filled into vials or syringes in a sterile environment. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented. This includes testing the vaccine for potency, purity, and safety. The final product undergoes extensive quality assurance procedures to ensure it meets regulatory standards. Distribution. After passing the quality control tests and regulatory approvals, the live attenuated MMR vaccines are packaged, labeled, and distributed to healthcare providers and vaccination programs for administration to the target population. It's important to note that the specific manufacturing process may vary between different manufacturers and vaccine types. However, all measles vaccines undergo strict regulatory oversight to ensure their safety, efficacy, and consistency. How measles, MMR, vaccine work. Measles vaccine is given in combination with other vaccines including mumps and rubella, known as the measles-mumps-rubella (MMR) vaccine. The measles vaccine works by stimulating the immune system to recognize and respond to the measles virus. Here's how it works. Introduction of the vaccine. When a person receives the MMR vaccine, either through injection or in some cases, as a nasal spray, the vaccine introduces weakened or attenuated forms of the measles virus into the body along with mumps and rubella viruses. Immune system response. The immune system recognizes the presence of the weakened virus as foreign and launches an immune response. This response involves different components of the immune system, including specialized cells and antibodies. Antibody production. B cells, a type of white blood cell, are activated and produce specific antibodies targeted against the measles virus. These antibodies are proteins that bind to the virus, marking it for destruction by other immune cells. Memory cell formation. In addition to producing antibodies, the immune system generates memory B and T cells. These cells remember the measles virus and provide long-term immunity. If the person is later exposed to the actual measles virus, these memory cells can quickly mount a targeted immune response, preventing the virus from causing illness. Protection against measles. The presence of specific antibodies and memory cells in the body provides protection against the actual measles virus. If the person comes into contact with the virus, their immune system can recognize and effectively neutralize it, preventing or significantly reducing the severity of the infection. Who require measles, MMR, vaccination? Measles vaccination is recommended for the following groups of individuals. Children. Routine measles vaccination is recommended for all children. In most countries, the first dose of the measles vaccine is administered between 12 to 15 months of age, and the second dose is given between 4 to 6 years of age. These doses are usually part of the routine childhood immunization schedule. Adults. Adults who have not received the measles vaccine or have not had measles in the past should consider getting vaccinated. This is especially important for those who work in healthcare settings, travel internationally, or are at higher risk of exposure to the virus. Healthcare workers. Healthcare personnel should ensure they have received the measles vaccine to protect themselves and prevent the transmission of measles to vulnerable patients. International travelers. Measles is still prevalent in many parts of the world. Individuals planning to travel internationally, especially to areas with ongoing measles outbreaks, should ensure they are up to date with their measles vaccinations. Individuals with compromised immune systems. People with weakened immune systems, such as those with certain medical conditions or undergoing certain treatments, e.g., chemotherapy, may be more susceptible to severe complications if they contract measles. Vaccination can provide them with an added layer of protection. It's important to consult with healthcare professionals or local health authorities to determine the specific vaccination recommendations based on your age, health status, and local guidelines. Vaccination recommendations may vary slightly between different countries or regions. What are the AEFI associated with measles, MMR, vaccination? AEFI stands for Adverse Events Following Immunization. While the measles vaccine is generally safe, like any vaccine, it can have some potential adverse effects. Here are some of the AEFI associated with measles vaccination. Local reactions. The most common adverse event following measles vaccination is a mild local reaction at the injection site. This can include redness, swelling, or soreness. These reactions are typically mild and self-limiting. Fever. A low-grade fever is a common side effect after receiving the measles vaccine. It usually occurs within 5 to 12 days after vaccination and lasts for a short duration. Measles-like rash. In rare cases, a transient rash similar to measles may occur after measles vaccination. This rash is usually milder and shorter-lived than an actual measles infection. Allergic reactions. Although extremely rare, allergic reactions to vaccine components can occur. Signs of a severe allergic reaction may include difficulty breathing, wheezing, hives, or swelling of the face or throat. Immediate medical attention should be sought if these symptoms occur. Febrile seizures. Febrile seizures, which are seizures associated with a high fever, can occur after measles vaccination. However, the risk is very low, and the benefits of vaccination in preventing measles outweigh the risk of febrile seizures. It's important to note that the above AEFI are rare, and the benefits of measles vaccination in preventing measles and its complications are far more significant than the potential risks. Vaccine safety is continually monitored, and thorough studies are conducted to ensure the vaccine's safety and efficacy. Conclusion. In conclusion, the measles vaccine is a crucial tool in preventing the spread of measles and its associated risks. It is highly effective, safe, and has been instrumental in reducing the global burden of the disease. By getting vaccinated, individuals can protect themselves and contribute to the collective effort of eradicating measles worldwide. Vaccination is key to safeguarding public health and ensuring a healthier future for all. Remember, vaccines are a proven and effective way to prevent diseases and save lives. If you have any concerns or questions about the measles vaccine, reach out to your healthcare provider. Stay informed, stay safe, and help create a world free from preventable diseases. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.